Rex here. So I just received an engineering sample of the new M5Stack Cardputer Zero, and honestly, this thing's really interesting. Unlike the original Cardputer series that used ESP32 hardware, this one's running actual Linux with a quad-core ARM processor and 512 megabytes of RAM. And for something this small, that opens up a lot of possibilities. This is a tiny Linux handheld built around the Raspberry Pi CM0 platform, with built-in Wi-Fi, keyboard, battery, screen, speaker, microphone, camera, USB, micro SD storage, even expansion support, and plus a much larger display than the earlier Cardputer models, all packed into something that's really pocket-sized. The thing I'm most excited about, though, is building custom OS images and optimizing them specifically for this device. So over the next few weeks, I'll be working on some custom OS images, some performance tweaks, doing a little software testing, and probably some weird experiments too. This is still an engineering sample, so things are definitely going to evolve before the final release. But first impressions, honestly, I think it's really solid. And I think devices like this are going to be really popular with the Linux and Maker community. If you want to see custom builds, setup guides, benchmarks, tweaks, and other project videos for the Cardputer Zero, stay tuned. I've got a lot planned for this little thing.